How to add product categories to your WordPress menu. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how it's done. It's very easy, so let's just go ahead and get started. First, be sure to actually have some product categories in order to create them. If you didn't already, just go to the products section for WooCommerce and just go to categories and create them from there. Now, assuming that you do have at least one category that you can add to the menu, what we need to do is just go to the main dashboard for WordPress, scroll down until we find Appearance. From Appearance, we simply just want to go to Menus, click on that, and then simply here, we just want to select the menu that is the main one, or whichever menu that we actually want to add the product categories in. So in my case, I'm just going to select the header one. This is going to be the one that I wanted to add it to, and click on Select on the top. Or you can obviously feel free to create a completely new menu. It's up to you. Either way, these steps are going to be the same. So from here, you are going to be able to add pages, posts, custom links, and categories. But if you click on categories, you're not going to find all the categories that are available because this is not the product categories one. So what we want to do is if you just scroll up to the top, and if you go to the top right, we should be able to find the screen options. And if we click on that, we should be able to find some more stuff, including product categories. Make sure this is ticked. And once we do that, right away, we should be able to find here product categories. So we can just go and click on that and select the category that we actually want and click on Add to Menu. Once that's done, you obviously know the deal. You can feel free to move it up or down, depending on where you actually want it to be. And then once you're happy with it, you can just simply click on Save Menu. And by the way, you can add as many as you like. Doesn't really make a difference. So I'm just going to click on Save Menu. And once it's fully saved, we can just go ahead and visit our site. And then from there, we can just see the menu is going to include the product categories that we have. It's kind of awful when it comes to the design. But anyways, we can actually see the test category 1, which is the one that I've just picked. And if we click on it, it's going to take us to the products within that category. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.